Welcome to Picking Principles. I've taken the Sparrows practice locks and I've repinned them. This time I put some security pins in. I put 2 pins in the number 2, 3 pins in the number 3, 4 pins in the number 4, and 5 security pins in the number 5. In the number 2 lock, with the bitting that came with that key, I've placed 2 spools. So I'm going to try and pick this just to see how different it makes it having some security pins in there. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension with my wiper insert in 50 thousandths and my standard hook. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Oh no, little click out of 3. Nothing on 4. Decent click out of 5. Feels like 2 is binding when I'm pulling out there. Let's see. Oh, and got it open. Alright, so let's take that apart and take a look at where those security pins are in. The spools didn't really put up that much of a fight. Maybe I've got them in bad locations as far as the bitting goes. Maybe I'll add a couple more. But let's take a look. I'll take out the retaining pin. Get off that end cap. And so you can see inside. I've got 5 out of the 6. Looks like there's a 6th. I do have a 6th key pin in there, but I don't have a driver pin in 6. So anyway, that's pinned with 6 pins, 6 key pins. And let's take a look. Man, I don't think I've got a 6th driver pin. Let's find out. If so, I've been miscounting those pins when I pick. So 1 is standard. 2 is a spool. That was that last one that was binding, I believe. 3 bounced away from me, but it's standard. Four is a spool. And whoa. Uh-oh. Messed up one of my springs pretty big there. Don't know how that happened. Let's dump the springs. I'll have to put new springs in there. 2, 3, 4. Looks like there's still one in spot 3. I don't have a pin. Well, this is the most peculiar thing ever. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it dropped into spot 6 on my... That makes sense. Well, amateur videos at their best, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key pins. I really butchered that spring taking it out. And that's all because I didn't twist it enough probably, and so this driver pin fell into the core. Driver pin 5 looks like it fell into the 6th spot of the core, and then spring 5 obviously came out and got all twisted up. So just to give you a quick view, you get those springs out of there because they're going to fall when I bring it up to the camera. Here are the pins, spools in driver pins 2 and 4, standard in 1, 3, and 5, and then standard key pins. All right, I'm probably going to add another spool in here somewhere, and I'm also maybe in this low spot just to see what effect that's going to have. And then at some point I'm going to play with putting some different kind of pins in here, like maybe some serrated key pins, see what that does. Anyway, if you like what you saw here today, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be taking apart the 3, 4, and 5. This one's got mushroom pins, this one's got some serrated pins, and then this one I just put a mixture, some mushrooms, some serrated, some spools, and that's a 6-pin lock. So I'll be taking those apart in upcoming videos. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.